ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, which is basically a Rakshabandhan look. So guys, the Rakshabandhan is around the corner. Guys, I thought to create a look which is very basic and at the same
time looking so glowy and dewy and so stunning.
So guys, using a minimum product, I am creating this look, and this look turned out so well, and basically I am so happy with this look. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and let's get started this video. So guys, first for the moisturizer, here I am using Biotic Morning Nectar Cream, and it is a very runny consistency moisturizer. And guys, always apply moisturizer on your neck. Next, after prepping my skin, next I'm using a primer. So that I'm using a Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer in the shade 01 Natural Tint. And guys, it is an illuminating primer, so it primes your skin as well as provide you a very good sheen. So guys, always apply a primer before applying foundation,
So that guys, your pores and fine lines will be filled with the primer.
So guys, today I am creating a day look, so that I am using a very less amount of concealer and less amount of foundation. So guys, today I am using concealer first, then applying the foundation. So guys, today I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand, and it is a very good concealer and so creamy and blended so well.
So first I am applying my under eye area, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid bow and the chin.
So guys, as you can see, it provides me a very good coverage, and at the same time it's blends so well. So guys, you have to always blend in a dabbing motion. Guys, as you can see how smoothly and easily it's blend. And guys, I am recommend you you have to try this concealer because it's so good, and the price point of view it's really amazing. So guys, for the foundation, here I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and this is really amazing and a full coverage foundation. And guys, this foundation is good for oily skin type and the combination skin type, because it is a long wearing foundation. At the same time, it's provide you a very good and matte finish.
So guys, those foundation give you a very matte finish. They are always long wearing foundation. So guys, I am applying it with a dotted motion on my face. Guys, always apply on your neck. Same I am blending with my beauty blender.
So guys, it blends so well, and I really love this foundation. Next guys, for setting my base, I'm using this loose powder. This is from Swiss Beauty, and it is in the shade Banana 02.
I just love this loose powder.
Next guys, for the eyebrows, you can use definitely a powder product. or eyebrow pencil. For the eyebrow pencil, I have this Blue Heaven Aristo eyebrow pencil in the shade brown.
So guys, just because its pigmentation not so high, that's why I love this pencil, because whenever the product have the medium pigmentation, so you can apply those products very easily without messing up.
Using this eyebrow pencil and filling my eyebrows. So guys, after filling my eyebrows, I am prepping my eyelid using this Swiss Beauty's concealer and applying on my eyelids and blend it with the blender. Guys, I am using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 04, and guys, I am going to apply it all over my eyelid. So guys, मैं इसका shade एक बार आपको दिखा देती हूँ. It is a very beautiful shade. So guys, I am applying using my finger. And guys, क्योंकि अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ह्यूमिड वेदर है, सो आप ज़्यादा कुछ मेकअप कैरी नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो गाइज, आज मैं कुछ इस तरह का मेकअप क्रिएट कर रही हूँ कि आप रक्षाबंधन पे इसे काफ़ी इजीली कैरी कर सकते हैं. पर्सनली ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. गाइज, इसका एप्लीकेशन भी काफ़ी इजी होता है, तो आप इसे काफ़ी इजीली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड यूजिंग फिंगर इसे ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. See guys, next guys, I am using a brown shade in this palette. I am using this brown shade and applying on my crease. And that's it guys. Here I am using Biotic eyeliner, and using this I am going to draw a wing liner.
So guys, eyeliner से आपके आईज काफी ज़्यादा ओपन अप लगती है और उसको एक परफेक्ट शेप मिल जाता है.
मैंने आई शेडोज काफ़ी कम अप्लाई किए थे, तो मैंने लाइनर को काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक रखा है. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर द काजल. हियर आई एम यूजिंग के ब्यूटी काजल एंड अप्लाइंग ऑन माई लोअर लैश लाइन. So guys, after completing my second eye, next for the bronzing my face, I am using Sugar Mini Bronzer Kit. So guys, next for the blush, here I am using a Stay Quirky blush in the shade Peach Lady, and it is not a matte shade guys, it has a shimmer on it. So guys, as you can see, इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा shimmery particles हैं,
बट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. सो मैं आपको अप्लाई करके दिखाती हूँ.
and guys also it is very pigmented. Next guys, I am running my beauty blender that my products will be blend evenly. And guys, it is very pigmented. So guys, ब्लश आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा अप्लाई करना चाहिए क्योंकि ब्लश थोड़े टाइम के बाद फेड होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर लेते हैं तो भी कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है, बट ऑलवेज ब्लेंडेड विथ योर ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. सो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा अगर एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट आपने अप्लाई कर लिया है तो वो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर की हेल्प से अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा. सो इज नेक्स्ट फॉर द हाईलाइटर. हियर आई एम यूजिंग मेबलिन मास्टर क्रोम हाईलाइटर इन द शेड मोल्टन गोल्ड एंड अप्लाइंग इट यूजिंग अ आई शेडो ब्रश. Lastly, for the lipstick, here I am using my Glam lipstick in the shade Hookup, and this is very rusty brown color. As you can see guys, एक shade काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Guys, कितना ब्यूटीफुल शेड है ये. पैक makeup fixer and apply. So guys, after applying my bindi, my look is this. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe my channel guys. Take care guys. Bye bye.